You should be investigated by federal agents for having sexual relations with 7th grade Asians. You're a fucking immature asshole who likes fucking
Pero yung
immature
kasi madalas ginagawa ng mga ano rito sa atin no?
Mga pedophile.
Tangina talaga, dito sila bibira ng mga bata, ano? Pupunta sila ng ibang bansa.
Parang ofera ng pera, no?
Oo.
Mamay.
Yung baka binablog pa eh, di ba?
Kita.
Tangina, trike patrol yata. Tangina mo, fan ka ng trike patrol, boss. Nanonood ka ng mga bold na mga ano, mga British na tumitira ng mga Asian 7th grade. Yo, what's up mga pare kayo, kamusta? Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. At syempre, alam nyo na, dahil matagal na pahinga, dahil nag-practice ako ng mga katagang talaga namang bumubugaan ng mga apuking ina nyo kayo, gago ha. Syempre, gaya na dati, bago ako mag-upisa, gusto kong pasalamatan ng Crown Manila, kay Kuya Nico Manning, maraming salamat. At syempre, The Accent, maraming salamat kay Papa A. Syempre, balik video reaction tayo at etong video reaction natin ay request ng aking kaibigan na mula pa sa kabilang ibayo ng Bicol. Sa kayo sa Bicol, pare?
Warap, Albay.
Albay, sa mga tropang Albay natin dyan. Yan o, mga Albay, no?
Daraga represent.
Oragon, bay! Syempre, etong nirequest ni Paring Mau ay paborito niyang battle MC. Syempre, walang iba kundi si Daga. Hindi, Looney. Ano yan? Daga ba yung nakasulat sa ano niya?
Daga.
Looney! Syempre, paborito niyang battle MC to at mahilig din daw siya sa mga English conference. Sige, titingnan natin kung mahihimay niya ng maigi. Hindi natin patatagalin to, boy. Let's get it on!
First, let's hear this shit, man. First round, Mark Rist.
Flip top, kamusta?
Talagang ano ng mga ano yan, magtatagalog ako kahit konti, no? Hindi, magtatagalog ako kahit konti. Alamig yung mga kantot, di ba? Pangkuha nila yun. Siyempre, parang kumbaga, kaming mga Tagalog, kukuha kami ng konting salitang Bisaya na, alam mo yan, makarelate sila. Siya, ang sinigaw niya, hindi niya alam, hindi kamusta yun, kinasta yata yan eh. Flip top, kinasta! Hindi niya alam, bastos yun. Flip top, kinasta! Kinasta yung sigaw niya eh. Ulitin natin ha. Baka sabihin niyo, mali ako eh. Ulitin natin.
Looney won the coin toss. He picked Mark Rist to go first. Let's hear this shit, man. First round, Mark Rist.
Pakinggan niyo yung pagkakasabi ha. Flip top, kinasta! Ano?
Flip top, kamusta?
Diba? Flip top, kinasta! Kinasta daw yung flip top. Hindi niya alam, kinasta yun.
Prepping for this match was torture. Arik, I can't thank you more. You took me on a massive tour. This land is gorgeous. He even shared his battle formula. The way you prep is mad important. Pegasus, Air Force One, and Happy Sauna. I was nervous.
Parang sinabi niyang hindi si Looney yung inano niya.
Hindi, parang
pinaghandaan niya o yung ano lang.
Parang pinantuhan siya ni Enigma na ang pag-prepare niya sa Pegasus daw, sa Air Force. Alam mo yung Pegasus dun sa...
yung ano ng mga
ganun daw sila
babae.
mag-prepare ng ano.
Yun nga, hindi si Looney yung pinaghandaan niya. Di ba? Kumbaga, pumunta ako rito pero hindi si Looney yung pinag-anoan ko.
Tumigimin lang eh.
Si Air Force One, di ba ano rin yun? Parang malaking club din na ano. Magkakatabi yun, di ba? Paano mo nalaman yung taga-Bicol ka? Puta ya. Sira ulo.
Pag nata-upload, friend.
Yari ka sa asawa mo, pare ko.
Very nice. They said he goes there every night. And now this punk is what he gets me. Just some bum who thinks he's destined to be worshipped for his earnings, mate. Your money don't impress me. I'll punch you in a frenzy till I'm rupturing your belly, pull your guts out, hang intestines from the rafters and the belfry. I'll drink your blood like it was sherry, crush your nuts into confetti, then I'll ring your girl and yell, "We've saved a bunch upon our wedding." It's It's
Parang
go-
si Tipsy din ng ano no, British no, kung paano yung concept niya sa pagdukot-dukot ng mga
Ano yung kay Tipsy ngayon? Parang ano, parang yung chainsaw.
horror ano din horrorcore din. Pagka ano niya. Hindi ko lang na-gets yung dulo eh. Yung ano yung isasalba?
Kasi yung mga sinabi niya, yung confetti.
Oo.
Tapos parang nakapag-ipon tayo para sa wedding natin. Parang di ba may confetti, may... Ulitin mo po.
your blood like it was sherry, crush your nuts into confetti, then I'll ring your girl and yell, we've saved a bunch upon our wedding. It's gonna get real messy, butter knife v machete. This puppy's blood will spurt, but first, I'd love to get a selfie. Would that be alright? It's very nice, son. Thank you. See, for a while now, I've been trying to take a bunch of shots to illustrate the lowest ebbs of human nature. Sober things.
Gago.
Sinet up, no?
Putang ina mo.
Lost.
Ay, si Ronelli oh.
Siya ba yan? Hindi
Si
siya yan.
Si Ronelli yan, gagi. Ayan oh, si Ronelli yan.
Payat.
Ito si Source.
Si Invictus ba yan?
Oh, Invictus. Ayun oh, tropa ni Looney.
Yung ano?
Diba?
Yung stick figures.
Oo.
Ano?
Gago no, pinakamababang uri ng tao. Sa wakas nakapagpa-picture na ako sa pinakamababang uri ng tao.
While now, I've been trying to take a bunch of shots to illustrate the lowest ebbs of human nature. Sober things. Sober things. Sober things that make me think I'm lucky. Life's okay, yeah? You know, like a dog that's lost its tail, or a guy who's missed the train, or a bunch of guys I've met who've been sleeping rough for days without one picture of your face. That is proper fucking failure. I mean, that other stuff is really bad, but that could be my screensaver. I mean, no one would fall in love with this.
Ito, gagawin niya screensaver. Oh, malam.
Nabiligan si Luni, no?
Ang alam mo, amo, ilalagay doon sa ano ng cellphone.
Look like a deflated puffer fish. One eye closed, shite closed, hair on your chin that's like a goat's, nostrils so far apart they each have their own time zones. I mean, those are wide. I bet when you picked it, you weren't all that subtle. Did you dig the finger in right up to the knuckle? Did you lift it and spin it? Did you get your whole fist in? Did you hammer in both like some pneumatic pistons? Whenever you sniff, does the furniture drift in? I heard it sucked up his grandma when she leant in to kiss him. When you're out on a mission, if the wind starts to pick in, does it fill up with dogs and cats and pigeons? I heard at weekends, if he's got a spare hour to fit in, he likes to install the odd art exhibition. It's so
Nanonood na lang ako. Ang haba na ng skin, puking ina.
Ayun nga, natawa ako dun sa part na siya. Pag humihinga ka daw, lumalapit yung mga sopa. Sobrang laki daw. Na-exercise niya lang.
That cap and shaved head are quite scary, you know, but I'd shave my hair too if my hair didn't grow. I mean, come on. Don't be surprised that cap's there because he needs it. We all know the truth. Your hairline's receding. If he took that thing off, you could see it retreating. I guess it's not just Sony Records that wants to up and leave him. And no, don't listen to them. You don't need no cosmetics. You're like a one-man Filipino Venice, just with the nostrils of an evil ferret and the hairline of Magneto's helmet. Oh, time!
Parang nang-asar lang siya nang-asar sa round 1, no?
Yung physical ano lang.
Sino yung sinabi niya? Magnificent.
Yung helmet ni Magneto, di ba malaki yung ano lang.
Hindi ba sino ba? Si Magneto ba?
Magneto's helmet yung sabi niya.
Hairline of Magneto's helmet. Oh, time! Time? Make some noise!
Ang inalo, dinali sa accent. Make some noise!
Parang
Ano ba yan, British?
British. Parang galing Harry
Di ba
Potter.
yung mga book nila, yung mga nakagalan yun sa British ba yun?
Yung
Mga sinaunang tao ng British, no?
Pero
Make
wig
some
lang yun.
noise. Wig lang ba yun?
Oo, wig lang yan.
parang yun lang yung
Formal lang, parang formal kasi.
yun yung ibig sabihin na ano ka, respetadong tao. Parang yun yun, di ba? Yung ganun yung
mga
buhok.
lawyer, pag
Ganon,
sinusot ng mga
ganon.
lawyer, ng mga judge.
Ganun siya, yung ganun buhok.
Time. Make some noise. You're a battle rapping teacher, according to the pamphlets. But no one's looking forward to your matches because they're as boring as your classes. He likes to call himself a metaphorical assassin. Bro, you're such an adorable faggot. I should send this foreigner's body to the corner after using his four-wheeler bag as a portable casket. You're a full-time teacher, right? Fly-by rapper. You can't kick it with me, Grist. I'm a Muay Thai master. The type to body bag you and give you a high five after, especially if you're asking for it. Like the Wi-Fi password. Now you really think that you can win here with your nice guy swagger? Nice try, Cracker. You should have worn that suit and tie designed with a tie-dye pattern and a t-shirt inside that says, White Lives Matter. I hope you fucking die of cancer, you limey bastard. Listen here, you little British prick. Fuck your fish and chips. Over here in the Philippines, we got fish and chips. Now, what you know about that motherfucking Delis Crisps?
Tinatarantado niya yung mga pagkain doon, dito, ano, no?
Hindi,
Ano lang, maharap. Hirap na hirap kayo dito, yung isda, inilalagay lang sa, ano,
chicheria lang.
chicheria lang.
Yo, last time I was in London, I tried ordering my lunch in. Sausages, muffins, porridge with some crumpets. The food was borderline disgusting. And for the record, most of your women are either oversized or ugly. And I bet you bloody wankers don't even have the bollocks to colonize this country.
Ano daw?
Parang...
Yung din, nag-gets ko yung umpisa, yung parang yung
parang
karamihan sa
sobrang-
mga babae
yun
nyo.
nga. Pero...
Pangit tsaka mataba.
Parang pupusta ako, sobrang hihina nyo, hindi nyo kayang invade. Kasi yung UK, sobrang dami nilang in-invade. Sila yung parang magsimula ng mga invasion dati. Tapos hindi naman nila in-invade yung Philippines. Parang... Pero nung naka-discover nun, parang ano ata eh. Yung Philip ang pangalan.
Okay.
British niya ata yun or sa UK. Parang gano'n. Pero hindi tayo sinakop ng UK. Ano lang eh, Spain, Japan. Yun lang.
Espanyol
China.
lang.
Espanyol.
China ba? Inabot ba tayo ng China?
Parang oo. Hindi ko sure.
Kastila, no?
Basta Espanyol, Japan. Yun.
In it, bruv! In it, bruv! Now, even if I lose, I consider this shit grist for the mill. But he just came here for my views. It's literally grist for the mill. So I guess that a million is cool for this British buffoon and his illiterate students sitting in school. But listen up, dude. You know how this battle gets triple the views? I don't mean to be a bit of a douche, but get on the ground right now and start kissing my shoes! Time! Mugagay! Yeah, you...
Humingi ng gulay, Malunggay! Malunggay ang pag-aasabi, Baka hindi malinaw sa si speaker nyo dyan. Malunggay! Malunggay, pandesal.
Time! Mugagay!
Masayahing bata, no?
You are more famous. You're a celebrity, dude. You saved Indiana Jones in the Temple of Doom, and you said London. That's not where I live. I bet you think your girl's G-spot's on her left eyelid. I just battled Protege. You should know your fucking place. I'll beat you back to back to back like Joe did Drake, and you know it, mate. You should be Protege's protege. And you think that... And you think the crowd chanting your name is something I fear, bro? Nah, Jose Rizal was a real fucking hero, and he'd hate the kind of writer you are. The king of rhyme. He said online in The Star, I can rhyme with anything. My rhyming's so sharp, like I could rhyme whole bottle. And my, when you start, I got whole bottle, I got role model, I got throttle, I got wobble wobble. Oh, the majesty, the gravity. I'm amazed, I'm in awe. Such rhyming magic. He's like a Filipino Dumbledore. That's
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Dumbledore
that's
yung sa Harry
rhyming
Potter.
at its essence. So
Kaya sila Harry Potter, may
karakter
malaki
siya?
may malaki silang teacher na ano, yung higante na mabait. Na parang Filipino Dumbledore daw. Kasi
Okay.
magic mag-rhyme.
insightful, such invention. I mean, I've never heard anyone use I got wobble wobble in a sentence. And yet you rhymed it with whole bottle. Wobble wobble.
Ikaw, pre, ano mararaya mo sa whole bottle, pre? English.
Sa English, mahina ako eh. Hindi talaga ako sa ano eh.
Whole bottle.
Wala, pagdating sa English, hindi mo ako makakasahan dyan. Kaya hindi ko talaga
So
siya-
awful, waffle. And he's so quick to claim that he's big in the game. A gangster who hangs with the baddest you've met. Yeah, Looney's so cool. In an old interview, claimed his main inspiration is Alanis Morissette. Yeah, Alanis Morissette.
Morissette?
How fucking gangster can you get?
Alanis Morissette. Ay, alam mo ba yun?
Hindi ko alam, parang... Hindi ba singer yun?
Ay, oo, parang oo.
Singer yun, di ba?
Hindi, parang painting ata yan.
Painting ba yun? Alam ko singer yun eh.
Alam ko parang art, parang something about art yan. Alanis Morissette. Ah, oo nga, no?
Singer, di ba? Dito yun, singer yata yun sa Pinas eh.
Dito ba yun?
Oo.
Canadian.
Canadian American.
Alanis Morissette. Ah,
Ay, parang yung old school na ano yun, old school na singer. Ay, oo nga, yung matandang singer, oo.
Inspiration daw ni Lulu. 1990 pa. Pero naabutan niya.
He heard Jagged Little Pill, found it insightful. He loves that CD, keeps it clutched like a Bible. When he heard a UK artist was coming to fight, all he could think was, I hope it's a Spice Girl.
Spice Girl.
He doesn't listen much to grime or rap or Eminem. Well, sometimes you can. You did listen all the time to Stan. He loves those bits where Dido sang. And don't you think it's funny that you heard a woman singing about mediocre men who try to keep her quiet, and the content of her work spurred you on to be the linchpin of a whole scene where women don't compete, where they stay silent? I mean, that's a little bit ironic, don't you think? And your material on women is so played out and greasy. On top of that, mate, it's so fucking easy. Like, I'll come round to your crib tonight. Your girl, she wants my dick inside her. Afterwards, I'll go home, write a shit review on TripAdvisor. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. But that is 90% of what you write. Filipino time.
Ano yung tinapit niya yung paggaano ni Looney?
Hindi, parang, di ba? Kasi parang before niyan, yung mga laban niya parang kinakantot yung jowa. Tapos parang ginaya niya lang. Tapos minention niya na, sorry, trinay ko lang kung paano magsulat si parang gano'n.
Oo.
Okay.
Hindi ba niya parang tinapik dito yung parang nagre-review si Looney? Or ano?
Hindi pa ata nagre-review dyan si Looney.
Hindi, parang may mga review na si Looney rito dati. O ano lang ako ng pagkakaintindi.
Apologize, but that is 90% of what you write. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. On TripAdvisor.
Hindi, magbibigay siya ng review.
I'm sorry. I'll go home, write a shit review on TripAdvisor.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. I apologize, but that is 90% of what you write. Filipino time.
Yo! Now, I don't care who you are and what you do. And I didn't understand a single thing you said to me, man, but fuck you too. You see, researching for this British cunt wasn't really fun. I typed in the best of Mark Grist, and guess what, bruv? There isn't one. Yo, I tried Googling this bitch, And I felt like I was clicking for ages. And then finally, Mark Grist, after 17 pages. Another desperate, agent, irrelevant, nameless beggar with elephantiasis. And judging by the melanin and the freckles on his face, you can definitely tell that he's racist. I bet you like to touch kids on a regular basis. You should be investigated by federal agents for having sexual relations with 7th grade Asians. You're a fucking immature asshole who likes fucking
Pero yung
immature
kasi
assholes.
madalas ginagawa ng mga ano rito sa atin eh, no?
Mga pedophile.
Tangina talaga, dito
Mga
dito sila bibira ng mga bata, ano? Pupunta sila ng ibang bansa.
Parang offer ng pera, no?
Oo.
Yung mga may-
Yung mga binablog pa eh, di ba?
Ay, God, kita.
Tangina, trike patrol yata. Yun. Tangina mo, fan ka ng trike patrol, boss. Nanonood ka ng mga bold na mga ano, mga British na tumitira ng mga Asian 7th grade. Tangina mo.
I bet you like to touch kids on a regular basis. You should be investigated by federal agents for having sexual relations with 7th grade Asians. You're a fucking immature asshole who likes fucking immature assholes. Pedophile. He may look like a decent guy, but deep inside, he's got an evil side. The one with a Smeagol smile. That's right, pedophile. Now, I want you to be advised that nobody in here cares to understand those European rhymes. And if somebody ever claps or reacts, I won't be surprised, because 9 out of 10 is probably just my Filipino peoples being nice. Because your skin is white. You have a face that says, I'm insecure about my penis size. I hope the last remaining members of the Beatles die, just so I can see you cry. This fucking white geek is in trouble when I beast your live feed in the jungle where I eat. If you wanted more views, you should have doubled my fee, but you'll never reach the likes of someone like me, faggot.
That's wrong, Marcus.
Go on! Okay, before I start, seriously, Eric, thanks
Parang
a lot,
more
man.
on ano si Looney, no? Parang hindi niya masyadong sinasaktan si Mark Grace. Pero yung mga ano niya, pangkalahatang puti.
General,
'Di ba?
parang
General eh, parang generic yung pangkalahatang puti yung ano niya eh. Bukod dun sa inaano niyang teacher si Mark
Yung
Grace.
sa simula lang, no?
Pero dito parang pangkalahatang puti eh. Kahit kaninong puti pwede niya sabihin, 'di ba?
Generic.
Really hooked me up. Now, Eric here gets a ton of love. Comes to you, though, not so much. A lot of the battlers hate him. Stabbing, cash grab. Like, you want rescuing? These guys won't, because each of them is bored of you, cheating for those high notes like your Britney Spears' auto-tune. You backstabbing, cash grabbing, sack of crap, all gas and branding. Anyone wanted actual help? He wouldn't do a damn thing. He cheats and lies. He really likes to see how fucked you are. The king of rhyme. Nah, Lion King. And it's clear your Uncle Scar. And the first time it all went
Ang ina mo, Amos, pre. Ang ina mo.
lies, he really likes to see how fucked you are. The king of rhyme, nah, Lion King, and it's clear your Uncle Scar. And the first
Amos! Sino kaya to?
Ano ba yan?
Hindi.
First time it all went his way, he packed up his bags and toured around the States. And so, yeah, it turns out your tour wasn't great. I mean, how many was it? Like, 4 people came. I mean, no lying, no porkies today. That's why they ain't asked you to tour it again. They paid for your comforts, and look how you thanked them. The money he makes investing in abandoning all of you guys for gold wigs and handguns. He keeps facing west like a compass that's stamped on. It's all Western artists, he says, that inspired him. It's all Western references inside your writing. You don't like this country, these people? That's fine, but that is the truth, boy. Why try and deny it? Round here, while they struggle for food on the street, he's at Trump Tower, reduced to his knees, guzzling, suckling, refusing to eat till Donald Trump's pubes are removed from his teeth. Ain't got no balls.
Ano yan, hindi ko na masyadong magets eh. Parang sobrang ano na eh.
Yung US reference na yun.
Hindi na masyadong, kumbaga sobrang lalim na ng ano ng English niya eh. Siyempre ako, Yes or no nga lang ang alam ko eh. May isa ko lang gamitin eh.
Yung punto niya yung sa masyadong political na yun. Hindi na natin ano.
Ain't got no courage. He saw all the suffering, just figured, fuck it. One sniff from the west, just watch him go running. I won't be surprised if you hide in my luggage. I'm finished. I'm finished with this kid who sees my passport as a thing of dreams. He'd pack up all his things and leave, ignoring what's here in the scene. I mean, loony, mate. You're killing me. It's a symphony, such history. The love and warmth is in these streets. I mean it, mate. I don't want to leave. I fucking love the Philippines. This gig's been dope. I don't want to go, but it's time to bring this thing to close. If you're smart, you'll know how the multi goes. Putang Inamo!
Alam ni Looney, no? Alam ni Looney rin.
Walaan niya eh. Galing.
But it's time to bring this thing to close. If you're smart, you'll know how the multi goes. Putang Inamo!
Ang inang galing ni Looney, no?
Ano predict niyo?
Kay Looney ako na ano, tang inang yan.
Yo! That pathetic piece of performance art didn't move me at all like the Royal Guard. I killed him in 90 seconds like a poisonous dart. I ain't got no problem stalking the Mark. He's like a prostitute in Luneta. Just another walk in the park. It's pretty awkward, eh? I don't know what to say, but I guess standing in front of you makes me want to talk this way. Don't flop all day. That little league's whack. That's why he's here in the Philippines trying to make his mark on the Philippine map with his Mr. Bean swag. I'm the president. The Punisher's bringing the guillotine back. You're about to fade away like that skinny jean fad. This mismatch is a mishap. I'm predicting this will be bad. Kinda like Duterte's middle finger against the British Queen's twat.
Ano daw?
Kasi di ba, presidente yan si Duterte, Smiley Pagpaki. Parang pipigirin yung queen ng UK.
Ng British.
Kasi doon sa kanila mga presidente, queen queen, king, prime minister, mga ganyan. Pero queen ng pinakaulo ng grabe. Ano siya?
This mismatch is
So,
a
parang
mishap.
daliri.
I'm predicting this will be bad. Kinda like Duterte's middle finger against the British Queen's twat. Now it's
Mismatch, tapos mismatch. Di ba? Galing.
pretty obvious that I'm about to body this faggot-ass battle rap hobbyist with Action Bronson tits. You're way past your prime, but still you're an optimist. Stop it, Grist! You're older than a floppy disk!
Napunta mo ba yun?
Oo, yung manipis.
You got beat by definition and a fucking retard. That makes you the perfect definition of a fucking retard! Now I know that nobody in here gets it, and I respect it. But accepting this battle was a big mistake, and he regrets it like Brexit. Now check it. I'm a legend. They refer to me as Alamat. I'm about to crush this ginger and turn him into Salabat. But for my final bars, I have a different battle plan. I will use my Jollibee call center accent so everyone can understand. I'm here to leave a lasting impression on Mark like a cattle brand. Break his heart like a Thunder fan because I'm teacher's enemy, #1. Tagalog or English, I'm flexible like a rubber band. You want to Mortal Kombat with me, Mr. Russell Brand? I'm like Goro with the 4 arms. I got the upper hand. Now this is something that you cannot extinguish. It's gruesome when I depict this, and you cannot distinguish. Do you know what else rhymes with distinguish? Extinguish? Relinquish? Tsaka po kinang ina yung mga British na uubusan na ako ng English! Tagalogin ko na lang? Tagalogin ko na lang? Tatagalogin ko na lang para sa kapakanan ng mga tulad ni Badang.
Parang may laban ata dyan si Badang.
Yung kakainin niya yung tayo.
Oh, yung kay Batas.
Nagkawa si Harry ko.
Tagalogin ko na lang? Tagalogin ko na lang? Tatagalogin ko na lang para sa kapakanan ng mga tulad ni Badang.
Oh, well, ito hindi ko na to napanood eh. Battle namin to na MZ eh. Pero ito, alam ko, umuwi na ako nito. Si English yun ano, hindi ko rin ano eh.
Looney yan.
No, hindi ko rin siya ano eh.
Ikaw, Boy Tisoy, i-google mo na lang. Mas masarap pag Tagalog kasi mas paangas pag rekta. Manakawang ka sana ng mga bag at maleta sa may Araneta at masagasa ka sana sa kalsada sa EDSA. Ito na ba yung pinadala nilang panlaban sa gera? Wala namang kwenta, isa ka lamang napakalaking sagabal, punyeta. Huwag ka nang umasa pa repa, tapos na ang karera, di ka na makakabuelta. Hindi mo alam, umuwi ka na lang. Salamat sa pera.
Hindi mo alam, umuwi na lang sila.
Oh, flat up, make some noise one more time, Mark.
Tangin, ang galing talaga ni Luns, no?
Grabe, English, Tagalog. Kahit ata Bisaya.
English or Tagalog, I'm flexible like a rubber band. Tanginang battle to, no? Sobrang... Oh, kahit Bisaya, no? Trilingual to, eh. Hindi lang, no? Puking inang yan. Mamaw yan. Tangina, kahit yata. Kahit yata Chinese, kaya na ito, eh. Yun, sa mga nakaabot sa video na to, maraming salamat sa panonood. At tangina, pagdating kay Mark Gris, nanonood lang talaga kami. Kay Looney kasi medyo naaabot pa ng ano ko ng brain cells ko eh. Pero pag kay Gris po, kung wala na talaga.
Tulala na.
Yun, maraming salamat pre. Baka may gusto kayo shoutout.
Shout out Patot Vibes.
Patot Vibes.
Boss Ward.
Boss Ward.
Shout out, Mami Gemma.
Yun oh, Mami Gemma. Pauwi na siya, Mami Gemma. Siyempre, sama natin si Eman. Yo, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli, mga pare ko. Peace out.